here, and today we're going to launch a car off the Hot Wheels ramp, and this is what the car's going to look like, and we launch it off the one like this. If you can see down there, launch the car off a ramp, and when it goes boom, whoever gets the most cups down wins. And my other brother here, Alex, he's go second, and whoever knocks the most cups down wins. And make sure you leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe. And let's get into it. And I'm gonna go. Launch it off. I think I'm gonna get the most cups down. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna get the most cups down. See, that's the ramp. I place it in. And then, here, we're going to launch in 3, 2, 1. Boom! 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got, let's count. Out of how much cups? 8 plus 4, 12, 15, 18. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I got 9. Let's see if my brother can do better. I'm just going to build it up quick. Boom, boom. Nana, boom. Haha, I'm nearly done. Just 5 more goes. Hey, yo, come on. I have something to show. It's your turn now. Come on. I'm gonna get the ramp set up. Boom, boom, boom. Nearly ready. And then now it's your turn, Alex. Look, press the button, and then no, not yet. Let's just get the right aim. Go.
3, 2, 1,
Go. Ooh. Let's see how much cups he's knocked down. I think I'm the winner so far. We'll just have to see. It's going to be a tough one. He knocked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cups. Oh, we have an equal tie. Now it's whoever gets the lucky one. The lucky last. Hey, Alex, come. This is what you have to knock down. Quick. Come on, put that down. This is what we have to knock down. Lucky one. Lucky. That's what you have to knock down. That's what you have to knock down, yeah? Yeah? I'm gonna win. No.
Everyone comment down that my brother's gonna lose.
No, I'm gonna win so much. And now it's my turn. Let's get the Thrasher ready. And that's what this car is. A massive Thrasher. Now, who will get the lucky golden prize? Me or will Alex get it?
Probably I will. Everyone comment down below.
whoever wins gets to have that car. And whoever subscribes gets a massive, big RC car. It's a Ferrari, and it is 100 miles per hour. Let's go. I'm going to go. And let's see. Tell me if I get it. Do I get it? Oh! Ooh. Whoever voted on me, I got 1. See that? I got 1. Now Alex's way, yeah? Yeah, Alex is. Come on, Alex. Just getting the car ready. Ready? Oh, he's lucky missed. And
Looks like
whoever voted me, whoever comment down below, and you picked me, you got right.